Hello, Dr. Dobrin. This is Max Joseph. Today is November 13th, 2022. This is the fall 2022 semester. And the class title is Criminal Justice Technology, CGE 3692 Charlie. I'll start here on this website. I'm going to click Offender Search. I'm gonna scroll down here to Absconder, Fugitive Information. The first I'm going to click show offenders that have photos, and first name here I'll put something simple, John. Submit request. So here we'll choose John Charles Adams. I'm going to highlight his name here, copy, open up another tab, put his name in the search bar here, John Adams Charles. Nothing of him particularly, so let's write his name another way. John Charles Adams Jr. Here it is. Still nothing of him, so let's try another person. Go back. Let's try a different name. Let's try Michael. Offenders only search. Yep. Okay, let's try a Michael Anderson here. Search up his name, look, copy. Michael Anderson. Absconder. Let's try that. Wrong, Michael. Michael Anderson. Nope. Okay, let's try somebody else. Let's try Scott. Submit request. Scott Agnor. Okay. Copy. Let's see Scott Agnor profile pictures. This looks like this could be him. No. Looks like an entirely different person. Could this be him? No, looks like an entirely different person. There's another Scott Agnor. Entirely different person. Nope. Nothing of this Scott Agnor person. Let's try another search. Let's try a Kyle. Kyle Ballantoni. Copy. I found the picture of this individual here. Oh, is this the right person? Yes, yes. It's another picture of him from a different county here. How about this? Oh, it's an article. It looked like an article of the man. Cyber stalking. Oh boy. Instagram. See if he's on Instagram. Ah, he is on Instagram. Yep, that's definitely him, our Scott Ballantoni person.